Hello friends! Today on STEM Saturday, Pascal and I are going to make our very own bath bombs. Let's make one together. For our first ingredient, which will be a dry ingredient, we're going to mix those first. We have baking soda. So we need 2 tablespoons of baking soda. We pour it in here. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I've already poured this ingredient in here. So we can move on to our next one. What we'll need next is our bath bomb mixture, which is 1.5 ounces of citric acid and Epsom salt. So I'm just going to pour that in there. And the kit that I have came with instructions, and you can find your own instructions online, or we'll have a link down below with instructions on how to make your very own bath bombs. But it's very important to read through your instructions to make sure you know what you're doing. So we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of mica powder. Let's see. I thought we could do blue because that's very pretty, right? So let's do 1/2 teaspoon of mica powder and 1/4 teaspoon of glitter. Ooh, that's fun. 1/2 teaspoon is really small. Be very careful if you're using scissors and ask an adult for help. So let's just do half. Oh, it's okay if you make a little mess. Make sure that you are on your kitchen table or somewhere with a clean surface so you can make this. So after we've added our mica powder, we can add our biodegradable glitter. So I'm just going to cut this open, and I'm just going to use 1/4 teaspoon for this. So very careful not to get this anywhere else except for in the bowl or in the measuring cup, because we don't want to make a mess. Ooh, this looks a lot like my friend Elsa's castle. See? I wonder if you can see it from here. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. We're going to mix this all up together so it'll make a pretty bath bomb for us. So you can use your hands, or you can use stirring stick, or I just use this spoon. Use a fork too. Some might call that a dingle hopper, honestly. For our next ingredient, we'll need 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil. You can also heat this up in the microwave, but don't do that without a parent's help, okay? So we're going to put this in here. Ooh. Just going to scoop it out like that. Okay. And we will add 15. We're going to add 15 drops of, let's do lavender essential oil. That's cool. am very unsure about if this is more than 15, but that's okay because we are just having fun, and that's important. And we'll know next time to use less if it ends up being too much. That's okay. That's okay too. So let's just stir this up a little bit here. So for our last ingredient, we'll need 1/4 teaspoon of water. And it says to add this in here slowly. So, woo! If it starts foaming, you're adding it too quickly. So we'll just do a little bit at a time. Woo! Whoa! Now our final step is to put our bath bomb, which we've mixed thoroughly all together, into our mold. So the way that we'll do this is we'll take a little bit at a time and we'll pack it down in the bottom. And we'll keep doing that. And then we'll go around the sides as well and just fill in that way. You know it's a good consistency when you can pat it and it looks like you can make a sandcastle with it. So that's how you know you have enough water and not too much. If you feel like it's not clumping together the way that it should, you can add a drop of water at a time and just go from there. Okay, so now we're going to press them together. We're going to hold them in there for 1 minute, and that should be long enough to make our bath bomb. Now is the moment of truth. So let's see. Oh, it's so pretty. I wonder if it'll stick. That's okay if it doesn't. We can always try again. Wow, it actually worked. First time. Look at that. Now you can put it in your bubble bath. Ooh. Do a little bit better next time. But I think it was a good first try, don't you? Hope you enjoyed making bath bombs together. We'll see you next time. Bye!